the Bugatti Chiron, a name that resonates with power and prestige. Just saying the name sends shivers down the spine. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of unparalleled engineering and design. It's a car that needs no introduction. The Chiron stands as a testament to what human ingenuity can achieve when cost is no object. A car that embodies speed, luxury, and a price tag that makes your eyes water. $3 million. Yes, you heard that right. That's enough to buy a small island, a fleet of supercars, or even a private jet, or a very nice house with plenty left over. Imagine the possibilities. So, the question begs to be asked, is the Chiron really worth it? What makes it so special? Let's be honest, most of us will never even sit in a Chiron, let alone drive one. It's a dream car in every sense of the word. It's a car for the elite, the one percenters, the people who think $1 million is just a bit of pocket change. For them, the Chiron is not just a car, it's a lifestyle. But that doesn't mean we can't dream. We can still admire its beauty and marvel at its engineering. It doesn't mean we can't dissect this automotive masterpiece and try to understand what makes it tick. From its quad-turbocharged W16 engine to its luxurious interior, every detail is meticulously crafted. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, one day we'll win the lottery. And that $3 million price tag won't seem so daunting. Until then we can dream, and dreaming costs nothing. Let's get down to brass tacks. We're about to dive into what makes this car a true marvel of modern engineering. What makes the Chiron so special? Why does it stand out in a sea of luxury vehicles? The answer, in short, is an engineering marvel that resides under the hood. It's not just any engine, it's a masterpiece of design and performance. We're talking about a 16-cylinder engine. That's right, 16. This isn't something you see every day. It's like someone took two V8s and welded them together. Imagine the power and complexity involved in such a feat. The result? A mind-bending 1,500 horsepower. This isn't just a number, it's a statement. That's enough to power a small village. Literally, the energy output is astonishing, or, propel the Chiron to a top speed of over 260 miles per hour. That's faster than most small aircraft. But it's not just about raw power. There's an art to this engineering. The Chiron's engine is a symphony of engineering precision. Every part works in harmony to deliver unparalleled performance. It's a testament to the dedication and skill of the Bugatti team. These engineers are the unsung heroes behind this marvel. Every component is crafted with meticulous care, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. Every detail honed to perfection. From the stitching on the seats to the aerodynamics of the body. This is what $3 million buys you, a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. Step inside the Chiron, and you're greeted by a level of luxury that's almost obscene. Forget leather. We're talking about the finest hides, hand-stitched and fitted with the precision of a Savile Row tailor. The seats are like thrones, enveloping you in comfort and support. Everywhere you look, you see exquisite details, polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and enough technology to make a NASA engineer blush. But the Chiron's interior isn't just about opulence, it's about customization. Want your initials stitched into the headrests? No problem. Fancy a specific shade of blue for the stitching? Consider it done. Bugatti will work with you to create an interior that's as unique as you are. After all, when you're spending $3 million on a car, it should be exactly how you want it. Of course, owning a Chiron isn't just about the car itself, it's about what it represents. It's about joining an exclusive club, a fraternity of the ultra-wealthy who can afford such extravagance. It's about the envy of your peers, the knowing nods from other Chiron owners. It's about owning a piece of automotive history. There's an undeniable allure to exclusivity, a certain mystique that surrounds objects that are rare and expensive. The Chiron embodies this perfectly. It's a rolling status symbol, a testament to your success and discerning taste. And let's be honest, there's a certain satisfaction that comes with knowing you own something that most people can only dream of. Section 5. The price of perfection. owning and maintaining a Chiron. Now, before you rush out and remortgage your house, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost of ownership. Because owning a Chiron isn't just about the initial $3 million outlay. It's about the ongoing costs, the maintenance, the insurance. Let's just say it's not cheap. Think of it like this. The Chiron is like a high-maintenance supermodel. It needs constant attention, pampering, and expensive spa treatments. A simple oil change can set you back thousands of dollars. And don't even think about getting into an accident. The cost of repairs would make your eyes water. Section 6. A legacy of performance. The Chiron's place in automotive history. But let's step back for a moment and appreciate the Chiron for what it is. A feat of engineering, a technological marvel, and a worthy successor to the legendary Bugatti Chiron. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. A testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of automotive perfection. From its iconic horseshoe grille to its distinctive silhouette, the Chiron is instantly recognizable. It's a car that commands attention, a head-turner in the truest sense of the word. And when you hear that engine roar to life, it sends shivers down your spine. This is a car that was born to perform, a car that embodies speed, power, and luxury. More than a car, the Chiron as a cultural icon. The Chiron's influence extends far beyond the automotive world. It's become a cultural icon, a symbol of wealth, success, and aspiration. It's featured in countless music videos, movies, and TV shows. It's the car that every kid, and let's be honest, every adult, dreams of driving. The Chiron's iconic status is a testament to its design, its performance, and its exclusivity. It's a car that captures the imagination, a car that represents the pinnacle of automotive achievement. And in a world where we're constantly bombarded with new products and technologies, the Chiron stands out as something truly special. The verdict is the Bugatti Chiron worth $3 million. So we come back to the original question, is the Bugatti Chiron worth $3 million? The answer, as with most things in life, is not a simple yes or no. It depends. If you're looking for a practical and affordable mode of transportation, then no, the Chiron is not for you. But if you're looking for the ultimate expression of automotive luxury, performance, and exclusivity, then the Chiron is in a league of its own. It's a car that transcends mere transportation. It's an experience, a statement, a work of art. Finding value different perspectives on luxury spending. Ultimately, the value of the Chiron is subjective. It depends on your priorities, your values, and your definition of worth it. For some, spending $3 million on a car is an absurd waste of money. For others, it's an investment in their passion, a reward for their hard work, or simply a way to enjoy the finer things in life. There's no right or wrong answer. What matters is that you're content with your decisions and that you find value in the things you choose to spend your money on. Whether it's a car, a house, a vacation, or a charitable donation, the important thing is that it brings you joy and fulfillment. Conclusion. A dream for the few, an icon for all. The Bugatti Chiron is a car that sparks conversation, ignites debate, and inspires awe. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's a car that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, design, and performance. Every curve, every line, every detail is meticulously crafted to achieve not just speed, but an unparalleled driving experience. It's a car that most of us can only dream of owning, but that doesn't mean we can't appreciate its beauty, its power, and its significance in the automotive world. The Chiron stands as a beacon of what is possible when passion meets precision. So the next time you see a Chiron, take a moment to appreciate it for what it is, a masterpiece of engineering, a work of art, and a symbol of automotive excellence. It's a reminder that the boundaries of innovation are constantly being pushed. It's a car that reminds us that anything is possible if you dare to dream big and push the boundaries of what's considered possible. The Chiron is not just about speed, it's about the relentless pursuit of excellence and the courage to defy limits. And who knows, maybe one day that dream of owning a Chiron might just become a reality. Until then, let it inspire you to chase your own dreams, no matter how unattainable they may seem.